A small creature hides among coral and broken shells on the ocean floor. At first glance it looks harmless, just a colourful shrimp moving slowly between rocks. But this animal possesses one of the most powerful strikes in the natural world. The mantis shrimp can punch with such speed and force that the surrounding water briefly boils. A shockwave forms, a flash of light appears, and the impact can shatter shells, crack crab armour, and even break aquarium glass. For an animal only a few centimetres long, this ability is extraordinary. To understand how it works, we need to look at the mantis shrimp's unusual anatomy. Mantis shrimp belong to a group of crustaceans called stomatopods. Unlike typical shrimp, they have evolved specialized front appendages used as weapons. In some species, these limbs act like spears, stabbing soft prey. But in others, they function like biological hammers. These are known as smashers. The smashing limb is folded beneath the body like a loaded spring. Inside the limb are powerful muscles connected to a system of biological springs and latches. When the shrimp releases the latch, the limb accelerates forward with incredible speed. The strike can reach speeds of over 20 meters per second. That is faster than most bullets fired from a handgun. The impact alone is powerful enough to break the shells of crabs and snails. But the strike produces another phenomenon that makes it even more destructive. As the limb moves through the water, it creates a region of extremely low pressure behind it. This causes tiny vapor bubbles to form in the water. The bubbles collapse almost instantly in a process known as cavitation. When they collapse, they release a second burst of energy. This produces additional shock waves in a flash of light. The temperature inside the collapsing bubble can briefly reach thousands of degrees. So the mantis shrimp effectively delivers two blows at once. The first is the direct impact of the claw. The second comes from the collapsing cavitation bubble. For prey animals, survival is nearly impossible. But the mantis shrimp's remarkable biology does not end there. It also has one of the most complex visual systems known in the animal kingdom. Most humans see the world using 3 types of color receptors. These allow us to perceive a wide range of colors. The mantis shrimp, however, has up to 16 different photoreceptor types in its eyes. Its eyes sit on movable stalks and can rotate independently. This allows the shrimp to scan its surroundings in almost every direction. Each eye can also perceive depth on its own. Scientists believe mantis shrimp can detect polarized light and possibly ultraviolet wavelengths that humans cannot see. In other words, the mantis shrimp experiences the visual world in ways that are difficult for us to imagine. Despite these powerful abilities, mantis shrimp are not aggressive animals toward humans. They spend most of their lives hiding inside burrows in coral reefs or rocky crevices. From these shelters, they watch for passing prey. When a snail, crab, or small fish approaches, the mantis shrimp launches its strike. The attack lasts only a fraction of a second. Then the animal retreats back into its shelter. The prey, however, rarely escapes. The mantis shrimp is both a predator and an engineer. By digging burrows in reefs and sediments, it helps shape the small ecosystems around it. Many other organisms take advantage of the structures it creates. In this way, the mantis shrimp plays a subtle but important role in the underwater world. It is a creature of precision and patience, a hunter that relies not on size or speed of pursuit but on physics itself. A tiny crustacean that has turned the force of water into one of the most powerful weapons in the ocean. And hidden among the coral, it continues to deliver one of the fastest strikes in nature,